Morning light sticks to the window glass. Honest coffee's brewing, ain't no time to let it pass. Grab my hat and boots, head out to the fields. A simple life of labor, but it's how I always feel. The old trucks rumbling, hit the gravel roads. With every mile I'm closer to the places that I know. The AM station's cracking, playing songs of yesteryear. Country roads and radio, they're the things that keep me near. Country roads and radio, they got me back home. And no matter where I roam, I know I'm not alone. With hearts of Tennessee and winds that free to go. Country roads and radio, they always let me know. Sun is setting slowly, casting shadows long, and the hum of the evening.
So guys, welcome back to Leaf Outdoor Adventures. I'll be building a chair out of this wood that I've brought today. This will be a simple chair that you can use at your campsite, or if you have a bug out location or whatever. It's just a simple chair. This will also be a comparison video. Today I will be building the chair, and I will be using two different kind of tools. I was browsing eBay a couple months ago when I stumbled upon this one. This is an old, I would call it vintage. It's a Swedish brand called Bahco 41, made in Sweden. I don't know how old this is. I would guess 1950s maybe earlier. I just had to buy this axe or this multi-tool or whatever it is. I thought it was really epic and really cool. So today I will be building the chair using, of course, the old nails that I already showed you from my barn. This one. So today's comparison is between these two axes, hammers, prybar, whatever you want to call it. This is my Hulteforce axe. I've shown this in other videos too. This is quite funny, actually also made in Sweden. So these two tools, they are both made in Sweden. This 60 or 70 years later than this one. Yeah. So if any of you know what this has been used for in the past, let me know. I can see it's something with nails. It can take out nails. It got a pry bar. It got a blunt force to hammer down nails or stuff like that. And it got a small axe. So I guess this would have had a really specific way of use. So first out I need to figure out what pieces of wood I need for the two frames. I need two A-frames. This could be one of them. This is some, this tree is really hot. So I guess I have the wood now that I need. This will be for the back and this will be for the seat. I need to take this and put it behind here. So that was not good. Is this so hard? This wood is so incredible hot, I can't even put a nail through it. This wood is for some reason made of a material that's unpenetrable by nails. So yeah, I just had to get a hand drill. So the process will take a bit longer, but yeah, it's necessary. I'll never get these nails in without bending. So I'll be drilling these holes, and this hand drill is just an old drill that I found in my barn when I took over from the previous owner, and it works just fine. Okay, you get the point. Sorry guys. I'll never get done if I have to do this by hand. So, let's try again. Perfect. I'll just build the first A-frame with this one, and then I'll use my Hultafors later on. So, this is the first part, and I'll be making the second one now, using the Hultafors for hammering instead. Now we need to make the back part of the chair. So, and then we need to turn this around. Definitely better on this Hultafors, I can say that already now. I just need to cut this off. And as you can see, even though this is a really hard wood, this Bahco Laplander does a really great job. This is a good saw, it's foldable and lightweight, so it ticks off all my boxes. I'll just be mounting the back. So guys, now the chair is done. Let's try and put it together and check it out. This is so comfortable. It's really, really good. I think I'll be making a couple more of these chairs. One for my wife and some for my kids. So when we are out here in the forest doing outdoor activities, then we can relax when having lunch and stuff like that. Then we can relax on these chairs instead of sitting on the ground. And remember, these chairs were free. I only put some time, some effort and some nails into this project, or else it was free. Okay guys, but let's wrap this video up. The Hultafors versus Bahco, both made in Sweden. I have to go with this one. I like the handle better. I like the weight. The surface for hammering down the nails is bigger, and because you have the weight in this axe, it brings a punch, so the nails are much easier to put down. This is, yeah, for me it's more like a gimmick. I wouldn't bring this on an outdoor trip, at least just for fun. Guys, this was a fun little project. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you can use the build for your own trips or where you go or at home. You can also build these chairs just at home to have them outside if you're doing a campfire or just grilling or stuff like that. They're really, really, really comfortable, and you can just leave them outside. So guys, as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate the support. If you haven't, please leave a like and subscribe if you like the content. And then I'll see you in the next one. Leaf Outdoor Adventures, signing out.
Sticks to the wind blast. Honest coffee brewing, ain't no time to let it pass. Grab my hat and boots, head out to the fields. A simple life of labor, but it's how I always feel. Hail trucks rumbling, hit the gravel road, with every mile I'm closer to the places that I know.